The second piece of revision that we're going to look at is characterization. The main type of characterization you want to use in your writing is indirect characterization, where you reveal what your characters like through style, so speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks. You are going to read through your short story and highlight examples of characterization in green. So for example, as I read through this page of my short story, I see many examples of characterization. For example, I stretched happily and jumped out of bed. I couldn't wait to get to school and tell my best friend Kate about my letter. That's an example of action showing she's excited, and also thoughts and feelings. Same here, we've got an action and action here. Again, just reinforcing the fact that the main character is excited to get to school. This is followed by some dialogue, so some speech. The main character expresses how excited she is to talk to her friend. As I continue on, there's more speech and action. We have effect on others as well. Kate is happy for Ella. She seems to be a genuine friend. She hugs her. Some more dialogue, some more speech from my character. Here we see more effect on others. Kate obviously is nervous to break the news to Ella that she didn't get into NYU. Again, they're good friends. This reinforces that she is sad. She doesn't want to go to a different school. Here we have action followed by thoughts and feelings, more action, and then speech by my character, showing how deflated, how sad she is at the thought of going to NYU without her best friend. You are going to read through your short story and highlight examples of characterization in green. Then you are going to identify areas where you need to include more characterization. Make a goal for yourself to add 5 pieces of characterization to your short story. Try to get one example of each piece of style, so speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks.